Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful soft glam makeup look. So today I went on pretty much full coverage, and you can see that my base is looking so flawless and beautiful, yet it's looking very nice and natural. So yes, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to the Plum nail paints. If you haven't tried them already, just go and get this one. This is my current favorite, and oh my god, it's such a beautiful pastel shade. Okay, now moving on to the face, and first I'll be using a very hydrating moisturizer followed by a hydrating primer. This is a really good primer if you have dry skin, and it looks really nice on the skin. It just makes your skin look glowy, dewy and juicy. I love it. Now for my concealer, I'll be using this Forever 52 concealer, and I think this is the first time I'm trying this in front of the camera. And let me tell you, this is such a great full coverage concealer, but you have to use a very little bit of it, and please don't go overboard with it because it has this tendency to look cakey. So use a very small amount and you are good to go. Now this concealer is a little bit lighter, so I use it as my highlighting concealer. I also have another shade which is 003 I think, and it goes perfectly well if I am not using any foundation at all, and it just matches to my skin tone perfectly. Also, I wanted to tell you that this concealer is matte and full coverage, so if you have dry under eyes, make sure to moisturize your under eyes really well and then apply it, otherwise it looks a bit drying. So first I ordered this shade from Nykaa, and I was so happy with the formulation, so I ordered another shade, but I still think that my L'Oreal Infallible concealer is the best. Now Nykaa has recently launched their all-day matte foundation, and I'm obsessing over it. This is a perfect foundation under budget, looks beautiful on the skin. It just gives you a demi-matte sort of finish. It's not completely matte, so even if you have dry skin, you are going to enjoy this a lot. This is just an optional step, you don't have to do it. I was just feeling like highlighting my face a little bit, so I'm using a very small amount of concealer, not too much. I'm using this compact powder from Nykaa. I recently bought it and I am in love with it. So if you are looking for a good compact powder under budget, just go for this one. Now it's time to set my base products on place, and then I will move on to the brows. And I'm using this Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. First I'll be brushing my brow hairs in the upwards direction, and then I will just lightly fill them in. To set my brow hairs in place, I'm using this brow mascara from Essence. Moving on to the face, and today I'll be using this Sugar Contour the Force Face palette. First taking the blush shade from this palette and applying it on the cheeks. So as you can see, I'm starting off with my cheekbones and then dragging it down to the apples of my cheeks. And then taking the contour shade from this palette and giving some structure back to my face. And you can see as I'm contouring my face, so I'm placing it underneath my cheekbones. Then whatever is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply it on the sides of my forehead and also on the sides of my nose. Also taking the highlighter shade from this palette and applying on all of the highest points of my face. And now adding some more blush, because why not? Coming to the eyes, and today I have this newly launched eyeshadow palette from Mars. First taking this beautiful beigeish gold shade and applying it all over my eyelid, and you can see how beautiful it looks. And then on top of that, I'll be using this beautiful pink shade, and I'm using my finger because when it comes to shimmer eyeshadows, your fingers works the best. Now honestly speaking, I really like the color scheme of this palette. I'm a fan of these Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palettes. They are really good and affordable. But the only downside is the shimmer shades on this palette is a bit drying on the eyelid. So I found the best way to apply them is wet your brush with a setting spray or a mist and then use it. Taking this beautiful mauvish pinkish nude shade and applying all over my bottom lash line. And also I'll be taking the same eyeshadow and applying on the outer corners of my eyes just to make it look a bit more cohesive. Then with the help of a clean fluffy brush, just blend everything in so that everything looks nice and seamless. Sorry for holding the product upside down. I was looking for a very blinding highlighter, hence I'm using this. Then using this KIRO eyeshadow stick on my waterline. To finish off the eyes, I'm using my current favorite mascara, and this is from Too Faced. I know this is a little expensive, but this is totally worth your money. For my lips today, I'll be using a lip gloss from KIRO, and this is my current favorite lip product. The formula is so amazing and I can't believe I am a fan of glosses now because I am a matte lipstick lover, okay? And this formulation is just hats off. So yes, with that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.